What's up guys, this is Anthony. I wanted to shoot a little random quick tip video for you. I have a small aluminum john boat. I wanted to put this little piece of canvas over top of it to shed a little bit of water. This is from a salvaged like RV canopy. And one thing I've been doing is to make it easy to cover and uncover, instead of using bungee cords, I take a small rock and place it behind the material and bunch it up around it, and that gives me a point to grab onto with my rope. And I've just got that and a slip knot down on a rock, so it's non-destructive to the fabric. You could do this with a tarp, anything, like if you're in a survival situation and you need to create a quick shelter, this is a really great way to grab onto a material that doesn't have eyelets like a tarp would for lashing. So a little slip knot here around this rock. You can see about the size of a marble, maybe a little bit bigger, and then some weight here, or you could tie this off to a tree if you're building a shelter. Super easy, non-destructive, good stuff.